Whoa!
I'm gonna leave those.
Those have the little screws in them, yeah. We'll just have to take them out.
Yeah.
That just unscrews, yep. I think the post is in there pretty good though. Oh! All the railings are loose now.
I just had to get that one out. Now this one. No?
Does that come straight up, maybe?
Oh yeah. Nope.
Nope, it's in there good.
This is fresher wood, so it splits better. It's splitting better than the other ones. That should do it.
Not quite. Getting tired. Careful. Nice. Miles got the whole railing down in 5 minutes.
And it's helpful.
All right, you want to take a break?
Yeah. Put back up. See?
That's really loose already. You could probably knock all the rungs out. They're all...
This is just fun.
That still has the base at the bottom. It's not loose at the bottom yet.
Okay, hit it. Can I be able to hit it now? Oh, it's like, it's like kick it off. See? Can I do the next one? I can do that.
Then it can, you just pull it out. Yep. There's nails in there, so careful. Hold on, let me see if, well, I'm gonna see if Lawson wants to chop away.
Dad, the drill's not in here.
It's not in there, it's on the shelves. In front of the van. Swing back more so you can hit harder. Yep.
You're gonna have to keep going a lot farther.
This is boring.
You don't want to do it anymore?
I want to. Miles, you already did one.
Yeah, how about we each get
Either way, you're not doing anymore.
Or not?
Back up, Mouse.
Why can't I do
Oh,
it?
well,
Get out of the blood circle.
Lawson doesn't want to do any of them, so
There's 4 more after this.
yeah, so.
You just like hitting those out for fun.
Yeah, I like doing those too.
That could come back and hit you if it swings too far. Yeah, like that.
The wasp.
I do it.
Oh, maybe we should stop and spray the wasps.
Okay,
We're gonna be
either
making them
way,
angry.
either way. Yeah, boom, boom.
That's some chunks.
There we go.
Not quite.
That should do it.
Yeah, maybe.
There we go.
Almost. Oh, you broke that side of it. Careful of the nails and screws there still.
There.
Alright, let's get the metal really off.